I'm Natalie McClure. I am a senior at USC studying environmental studies, getting a Bachelor of Science with a minor in French. And I am a native plant tech intern at the Catalina Island Conservancy. I am working with all of our native plants to be able to preserve the natural landscape of Catalina and create a foundation for the rest of its life to thrive. It's a lot of plant care, watering in the morning, making sure that things are getting the nutrients they need, up-potting when things are kind of growing out of their space. The first rare plant survey that we did was of the stream orchid. We were just kind of supposed to be following the stream and looking around the roads that have already kind of been built out, but we climbed over a bunch of lemonade berries to get further into the valley and found 2 new populations that probably added up to about 1,000 more stream orchids than we previously thought were on the island. I got a little bit scraped up because we were like army crawling under trees. It makes you feel like a child. You're scrambling over rocks, but you're doing good work. My grandfather spent a lot of time actually on the Channel Islands doing some of the work that I'm actually doing. Other living things and the importance of them has been thrust upon me from a very young age. So the work that I'm doing has a lot of weight for my family, and it has a lot of weight for me because being able to put my own effort and work and life into the natural native landscape anywhere, I think it gives me a lot of hope for how we can progress.